Virat was a young student from a small village in India. He came from a modest background and had always struggled to keep up with his studies. However, he was determined to break the cycle of poverty that had plagued his family for generations. Despite facing numerous challenges, Virat never gave up on his dreams. He knew that education was the key to a better future, and he was willing to work hard to achieve his goals. Virat was always the first to arrive at school and the last to leave. He spent countless hours studying and asking his teachers questions, determined to understand every concept fully. Despite his dedication, Virat often felt demotivated. He struggled to keep up with his classmates and was often teased for his humble background. One day, Virat's teacher noticed that he was feeling down and decided to have a one-on-one conversation with him. During their conversation, Virat shared that he was struggling to stay motivated and that he felt like giving up. His teacher listened attentively and told him that he was not alone. She shared her own struggles with Virat and reminded him of his strengths, his determination, and his potential. Virat's teacher told him that success was not about being the best but rather about doing your best. She encouraged Virat to set small achievable goals and to celebrate each success, no matter how small. Virat left the conversation feeling uplifted and motivated. He began to apply the advice that his teacher had given him and saw a significant improvement in his studies. His grades improved, and he started to feel more confident in himself. Years passed, and Virat continued to work hard. He never forgot the lessons that his teacher had taught him, and he continued to set small achievable goals for himself. Eventually, Virat graduated from college with honors and landed a job at a prestigious company. Virat's journey was not an easy one, but he never gave up on his dreams. His teacher's words of encouragement and advice helped him to stay motivated and reminded him that anything was possible with hard work and determination. Virat's story is a testament to the power of education and the importance of never giving up on your dreams.